Welcome back to Mom's channel.
Hello guys, so today we're gonna be
dyeing our hairs.
So Janine has been wanting to color her hair. Guess down below
what color are we doing our hair today?
You stay till the end so you can see the color and see if you guessed it right.
Yep. Oh.
Her dad only let her do the bottom. And Jarek wants to do the top of his hair, so
like a little bit in the middle and a little bit in back, a little bit in front.
Okay.
We'll see how that goes.
We'll see how I do. We're gonna go ahead and change our shirts, that way we don't get them dirty, and we'll be back. Okay, so I hope the light is good. We are filming in my restroom.
Okay.
So I'm gonna start getting stuff ready. We'll have our old shirts on, ready to go. So, how do we start?
I've been really wanting to do this for so long, but I actually wanted to get it permanent, but I'm not allowed to till I get out of my dad's house. They won't let me do it. I have to be out of their house. So I'll just go live with my grandma, and I'm pretty sure she'll let me have it permanent in her house. I really want to get it blonde. You guys gotta guess what color we're doing.
So since I'm doing her ends only in the back, I'm gonna start by parting her hair. Mind you, this is the first time I do this. I'm gonna part her hair right here and start with this bottom right here. Just go a little bit back right here. And then from there, we'll go ahead and start sectioning down to color the rest. And she has thick hair, so I am hoping
it works,
that we have enough with one box. So I will give you a hint. It's a rebellious color. Oh! So here's the lightning bleach, and I'm gonna mix it into the outside container. So you guys can kind of see, I guess I'm gonna put her right here like that. And I'm just gonna...
If you guys do not know, I have a high bed. It's basically like a bunk bed, but instead my dad made it. And it doesn't have a bottom. It's a clear area on the bottom where you could just store stuff. I don't think you guys ever seen my room yet though. Basically, you haven't seen anybody's room. Well, you've been seeing the bathroom, but that's all. And probably the living room too.
So I'm just making parts here on the sides and then the back. And I start with the side of the hair. Jillian, turn it on so I can see what time it is so we can check for 20 minutes.
9:06.
Right now, 9:26. Are you going to want to do it then?
Yeah.
Come here. So now we're going to do Jarek's hair. So for his, I'm just going to put it right here. And be very careful with it. Putting it just on the tips. So I finished Jarek's. I'm just going to use the rest of this on Janine. I'm going to rinse all my little tools so that I have them ready for when I start with the actual color. I'm going to go check on Jarek. Let's go check on Jarek. My puppy. He's there waiting for me. He always waits for me. Baby.
It again, not dying again, not dying again. Oh my god. Oh, there's another skeleton.
I don't think his has lighting up at
I'm
all.
so dead.
Put the volume down.
I'm so dead. I only have run flesh.
My Jarek's room. So it's time to wash it off. Long. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off. I don't know if you can kind of tell. So Jarek called it quits. He's gonna stay with his hair like this.
No, I did not say that. I don't know.
Well, you don't have so much time to think about it, boy.
Comment down below if I should put it with the pink or leave it like this. Whoever gets the more of the brown, I'll keep it brown.
Alright. So that's what his hair will be looking like if he doesn't decide to go with the color.
It doesn't matter which one you pick.
It looks pretty cool like that too, so. Alright, buddy. See ya later.
Now, and make sure to do it. Look at this.
So here's Jillian tips.
So beautiful, guys.
So here, I'll put it in contrast with that. You can see it get lined up. So now we're gonna dry it in. See what happens.
So we're doing it tomorrow.
Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and finish it up tomorrow. So here's how it ended up. She loves blonde hair. So, and then tomorrow we'll go ahead and go in with the final color. So I think it blended in well. It's so good.
Love it.
See y'all guys tomorrow.
See you. Day number 2.
Alright guys, day 2. We're here to finish the hair. It's completely dry.
Look at it. Blonde.
So let's finish it up. So I'm gonna do the same process. I'm gonna part the hair the same.
So Jack, what's your decision? What are you gonna do? You dyeing your hair? Guys.
I'm gonna pick up my hair just so I don't get any color in mine.
Just not gonna do the color.
Careful. So this time I'm gonna start with the front part just so that I can make sure this part has plenty of the color.
Because it's the front. So.
Ooh, it smells good.
Smells like strawberry.
So I'm a little scared that we don't have enough of the color, but then I was nervous yesterday with the bleach, so we'll see. So how do you parents out there feel about this, like about coloring hair? To me, it's hair and it'll grow back, you know. Whoa, that was crazy. But I know there's parents out there, and you know, we all have different opinions that are very against this. That'll be Jillian's dad. She knows this is a one-time thing.
Till I get out of their house.
She knows that.
You said I can't do it until I'm out of their house. And I'm doing it permanent blonde. Like, I think I'm just gonna do bottom and then highlight.
So, my first time coloring my hair, I was 11.
What color did you do it? Do you remember?
Blonde highlights.
Blonde? Oh.
And we'll see how long this lasts, but if for some reason it doesn't fade away by the time she goes back to school, we're probably gonna have to change it back to her color. So we're using the Splat, and I guess we'll let you know the color. Pink Fetish Rose. So we'll see how it actually looks on her.
You guys give it a thumbs up so that everything goes well.
That's why we're doing just the ends too, guys. I'm not putting any bleach on her actual scalp. And Jarek's, I did at the top, but it wasn't touching the scalp or anything. If I would have known he wasn't gonna go with the color, I would have left it more so it could actually be blonde. But
He really didn't know what to do with this hair. He didn't know that would be two colors. Like the fake one and the real one.
alright, don't touch anything.
Okay.
And go give me a trash bag. Okay, I'm gonna clean up a little bit and we'll be back right before I wash her hair. That way you guys can kind of see what it looks like. Alright guys, so it's been 20 minutes, but I think we're gonna go ahead and wash it off.
I'm excited.
It looks pretty saturated to me. The color's already there. We're gonna go ahead and wash it off. We'll probably won't come back until she's all done, because I'm just gonna repeat the same process. I'm gonna wash it off, blow dry it, and we'll see how it looks. So we'll see you guys in a few. That's like the second wash. So here's how it's looking with it wet. We'll come back and show you once it's dry. So it's like 2 or 3 in the afternoon. Please excuse my face. I've been cleaning, doing other stuff. But her hair finally completely dry. Kind of attempting to curl it a little.
And I'm already in my leotard for gymnastics. I am ready to go, just getting my hair done. Because I need to get my hair done.
So I just want to get a good video of it before I put it up, because she has to have her out for gymnastics, but just so you can kind of see what happened here.
So we were supposed to leave this for 30 more minutes, and we just exactly did 20 minutes, and so it didn't come out pink, but it came out like a reddish pink.
Yeah, like if you're gonna do it and you have like full-on permission, I will leave it at 30 minutes. For her,
We needed 30 minutes.
we took it off a little bit earlier, so the pink didn't really stay.
But it turned out red, like, because I also have soccer and my jersey is red, so I guess it's okay that it's red, because I have a red jersey for soccer.
So this is what it looks indoor. I'm gonna go outside and show you guys kind of what it looks like.
Because we don't get really good light in here because we're indoors, so we need the natural light.
Here's the final product. It looks so pretty. So of course I love it. Alright guys, so you guys saw the final result. Let us know what you think, your thoughts on it. I know people are against it. To me, it's hair. You only have one life. I just feel like if we can do it, and especially on something like this, it's hair and it's gonna make her happy right now that she can enjoy it, then I'm all for it. Because sometimes we want to do things for people when it's too late. Those are my thoughts, and I hope she enjoys it and likes it, and we'll color it back once it's time to go back to school if it doesn't fade out by then. So what do you think, baby girl? Do you like it?
I love it. I don't like it, but I love it.
This is my first time also doing tips, so I don't know, I think I did a pretty good job if you ask me. So give us a like, a thumbs up, something. Let us know you're there, you're supporting. We are thankful for everyone who has subscribed so far. We'll see where this channel goes, and thanks for watching. Any final words, baby?
Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when we post another video.